I'm gonna show you how to check your payments and fees here on Amazon Associates account. You want to go to reports. And once you click on the reports, you're gonna notice it's gonna show you your report, what you made for the last 7 days or whatever, 30 days. Hit fees and schedule. And here on the fees and schedule, you can scroll down. So it depends on what type of product you sell, which determines your percentage. You see the highest percentage here is Amazon fashion for women and men. So I think a lot of people target those because they get 10%. And you also have table 2. Table 2 right here is your bounty tables. That means if you get somebody to sign up for certain products, you get a one-time fee, $3, $5. So it's not a percentage, it's just a one-time fee. But I ain't gonna waste your time. You can just scroll through this. It's a lot of information. There's different links from Prime Video channels. So if somebody sign up for these different channels and stuff, you get a one-time fee. And you can keep scrolling down. You got trade-in programs, and it tells you all your different fees, how much you're gonna get paid for those. So I'm gonna go on to the bottom, but this is where you find out your fees and schedule how much you would get paid. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel and have a great day.